Hey viewers, you are watching The Savera and I'm Manpreet Kaur. In technology and regulatory news, social media platform X, formerly Twitter, has admitted lapses in content moderation and taken significant action after concerns were raised by the Government of India over obscene, explicit content circulated on its site. According to government sources, X admitted that it made mistakes in handling inappropriate material, particularly content connected to its AI tool Grook, and has now agreed to comply fully with Indian laws and regulations. As part of its response to the government's concern, the platform has blocked around 3,500 posts that were deemed obscene or explicit and has deleted more than 600 users' accounts associated with that content. Authorities says this corrective action reflects X's acknowledgement of the issue and its efforts to align with India's legal standards on decency and safety online. Government officials have also made it clear that going forward, the company will not allow obscene imagery on its platform and that it must operate under the local laws governing online content. The controversy began after complaints surfaced about sexually explicit and inappropriate material being generated or shared through X Grook AI chatbot and related services, including AI generated images that violate norms and decency and privacy. Some of the objectionable content involved digitally manipulated imagery of individuals without their consent. Earlier this month, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had directed X leadership to remove all vulgar, indecent, and unlawful content within 72 hours, warning that failure to act could lead to serious legal consequences, including the potential loss of safe harbor protection under the Information Technology Act. The government's move was part of intensified security of AI-driven services aimed at preventing the misuse of such tools for producing offensive or harmful material, particularly when it targets vulnerable individuals or undermines public decency. X assurance to comply with Indian law and its swift removal of flagged content signals its attempt to cooperate with authorities and avoid regulatory penalties. However, the incident also reignited broader debates about how social media companies and AI platforms should be held accountable for content moderations and the ethical implications of generative technologies like Grook. As the discussion around online content standards continue, authorities says that they will be closely monitoring platforms like X to ensure that user safety and legal norms are upheld while balancing innovations and users' freedoms. That's all for now. Stay tuned, The Savera. Do like, comment, and subscribe our channel.